annyeongaisyasya. Assalamualaikum everyone. Annyeonghaseyo. Welcome back to our channel.
So today we are going to make a famous Chuncheon Gangwon-do dish which
Called
is
Korean Dakgalbi,
or in English,
spicy stir-fried chicken. And today we are going to be using halal meat ingredients that we have bought online.
and also other ingredients from the mart.
It's really easy and not difficult to follow, so make sure to stay till the end.
So what are we waiting for?
시작해볼까요?
The famous Gangwon-do dish, Chuncheon Dakgalbi,
Or in English, spicy stir-fried chicken. Let us know in the comments down below if you try out this recipe, and let us know in the comments down below if you try out this recipe, and
Don't forget to subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video.
See you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Annyeong, annyeong, annyeongaisyasya.